Look at this fucking beauty. Fucking tires are huge. Oh man. Whole stack of fucking tapes on the passenger seat. Oh man, this thing is nice. Pizza box in the back. This must have been my car. Damn. This is a nice fucking car. It even has power fucking windows, so this is a nice car. Man, seeing this thing is really making me miss my fucking Camaro, man. Is that... oh, damn. That red really sticks out. I like that. But this is a nice... oh, no. His glove box is open and the little light's on. I hope it doesn't kill his fucking battery. Man, this is a sick fucking car. I would drive this thing, and I don't like the color. I don't... I honestly don't like this car. Okay, I shouldn't say that. I obviously love Z28s, but I don't like this particular one. But I would still drive the shit out of this car. Man, this thing is gorgeous. And not to mention, I can't help but wonder how awesome it would have been if my Camaro had had... wait a minute, is it power locks and windows? Because the power windows are powered from the center. And that says locks. So does this thing have power locks? That is fancy as fuck for the late 70s, early 80s. This is a nice fucking car. Man. Even if I had my fucking shit-ass Trans Am, I would park that next to this thing and be like, I feel good. But, no, I got that hunk of junk with its fucking red rims. Oh man, I'm so jealous right now. I fucking miss my Trans Am. No, fuck off. I have the Trans Am. I miss my Camaro. That sticker is not fucking original. That's very clearly been put back down. Then again, the paint's not original either. That's a weird thing to put down. I'm wondering if they had that stock and he put it to make it 100% original looking. Honestly, these doors seem weird without having the fucking the arm curling fucking thing, the manual windows. I hate the steering wheel in the late 80s. It was much nicer in the early 70s. I'm fucking saying everything wrong. This is such a nice fucking car. Such good shape. Fucking clean. Parked at the very back corner. Exactly where I would have parked it.